I see many persons complaining about COVID and COVID restrictions, but when I look at some of the videos that are circulating, it really just shows why crime, why development, why economic growth is so hard to achieve in Jamaica. Because despite the best efforts of our government, and I know it's quite sad when we see these things, the people are not compliant. Look at these videos. This is just even sad. You're a grown adult and you must understand this is a curfew. Seriously. So despite the best efforts of the government, I know we don't have the best resources, we try, but it just shows that it's our mentality that is keeping us back, and the response to COVID just really shows us that we are lacking in that department as a society.